Hi friends, this is Suresh and you are watching now about economics. In this video, I will tell you about the basic information of economics such as meaning of economics, emergence of economics, need of economics as a subject and some definitions of economics. So let's start. First is the what is meaning of economics? The word economics comes from two Greek words. First one is the eco meaning home and second is the noms meaning accounts. The subject has developed from being about how to keep the family accounts into the wide ranging subject today. Before knowing the definition of economics, we should know firstly emergence of it and need of economics as a subject. It is general nature of knowledge that when it expands, more specialized branches emerge. In India, Kautilya has written the Arthashastra, which is book on public administration to advise the king about politics, economics, strategies, etc. It happened about 2500 years ago. Almost similar thoughts have been given by Confucius. Similar thought have been given by Confucius in China in the same period. So one can say that the need for economics as a subject was felt by kings to use the national resources. In modern times, Adam Smith has organized the existing scattered thoughts as a reflection of moral science. This was the satisfactory answer of the emergence of economics at Indian level. But we should know about the emergence of economics at a whole level, or we can say that at a world level. So as human being started agriculture and animal husbandry with the slavery, the surplus produce was available for trading. The economy emerged. This was the very important about in this video about the economics. So I will repeat that as the human beings started agriculture and animal husbandry with slavery, the surplus produce was available for trading. The economy emerged. Need of economics, you all know about this, but I will tell you in the simple way. For the simplicity, we take at the individual level. We take an example like we need manage our pocket money of a whole month, and this will be through the help of economics. How economics can help the manage our pocket money of a whole month? So this question is answered by the definition of economics. Let's try to understand the different types of definition of economics. First one is the wealth definition, second is the welfare definition, third is the scarcity definition, and fourth is the growth and dynamic definition. These different kinds of definition given by different economists in different time periods. The first wealth definition is given by Adam Smith, who was the father of modern economics. Adam Smith says that economics as a science of wealth, which studies the process of production, consumption and accumulation of wealth. This very definition is taken from the book An Inquiry into the Nature and Cause of Wealth of Nations, published in 1776, and also other economists was the JBC, says that economics is the study of wealth. Second definition is the welfare definition given by Alfred Marshall in 1890. He says that economics is study of mankind in ordinary business of life. It examines that part of individual and social action which is closely connected with the attainment and use of the material requisite of well-being. Thus, it is on the one side a study of wealth, and on the other and more important side is the study of man. This definition is taken from the book Principle of Economics written by Alfred Marshall. Also, A.C. Pigou is the another famous economist who was the neoclassical economist, says that economics is that part of social welfare that can be brought directly or indirectly into relation with the measuring rod of money. Third definition is the scarcity definition given by Robbins in 1931. Economics is the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce resources, means which have alternative uses. This definition is taken from the book Nature and Significance of Economics written by Robbins in 1931-32. Fourth and last definition is the growth and dynamic definition given by American economist who was the Nobel Prize winner in the 1971 was the Paul Samuelson. Samuelson says that economics is the study of how people and society choose, with or without the use of money, to employ scarce productive resources which could have alternative uses to produce various commodities over time and distribute them for consumption now and in the future among various persons and group of society. This was all about of definition of economics. So I hope that you should able to find the answer of the very question, which was the how economics helped to manage our pocket money of a whole month. If you don't able to find the answer of this question, you should comment and I will tell you about this question. Okay, thanks for watching.